Billions of dollars in assets and infrastructure are protected by reliable valves around the world, 24/7, 365 days a year. But most important of all, they protect you. At the heart of every sprinkler system lies a set of valves. Reliable has produced fire protection valves in the United States since 1920. Today, in Liberty, South Carolina, our valves are designed with some of the most rigorous safety factors in the industry. Each valve's journey begins with component parts sourced from trusted suppliers. Using advanced 5-axis milling machines, each body is machined to precise specifications. Each component, from the smallest pin to the valve body itself, is painstakingly inspected to meet required tolerances. Every reliable valve is hand-assembled by our seasoned team before pressure and operational testing. Protective coatings are applied to valve exteriors before they move to the final stage. Many reliable valves are pre-assembled in our South Carolina facility. Following detailed engineering instructions, our elite assemblers combine science, art, and sheer muscle to configure each valve, enabling fast and trouble-free installation in the field. The reliable valve journey is a long one, and when properly maintained, it can provide decades of service. And that is why we're reliable.